Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming the exact failure, locate the game's install directory, and note whether Steam API DLL is missing or differs from the game's expected version. Once done, launch the Steam client and sign in so Steam can validate files. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or real-time protection that may quarantine DLLs. This prevents interference while you fix files. You are preparing the environment, so subsequent replacements and verifications will succeed without being blocked or reverted. You now run Steam's built-in verification. Right-click the game, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Allow Steam to restore the official DLL. If the error persists, copy the Steam API DLL that matches the game's Steamworks branch from a known good, install or reinstall the game. Do not use random internet DLL downloads. Once replaced, run the game as administrator so permission issues won't block loading. If a load error remains, analyze with Dependency Walker or Process Monitor to see missing dependencies or You finish by re-enabling security software and adding the game's folder to exclusions so the fixed DLL isn't quarantined again. If problems continue, reinstall Steam, not just the game, to restore client-side libraries, or fully uninstall and reinstall the problematic title. Make sure Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and Windows updates are installed, because missing runtimes often cause DLL load failures. If nothing works, run the game with Process Monitor and note access denied or missing module errors, then target that specific cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.